Um, where do we begin this? I guess at my beginning, uh, which was October 30th, 2000, around 10 in the morning, in Montpelier, Vermont, New England, America, world, space, universe, other universe outside of the black hole we are inside of. But, I'm getting vague here. After I was born, I don't know what happened. But I left in 2008, and I lived in the South. And we don't talk about what happened there because it was bad. It was very bad. But that's fine. It's not fine. It was terrible. I regret that. But now I'm back. I moved back here in 2014. And it's been good, Go to high school. I recently joined the Central Vermont Career Center where, I make movies. Some might call them, bad, terrible, awful. But you know what? They're right. But that doesn't matter because I get to have fun doing something great, making something, not destroying. Creation truly is the greatest. It's the greatest kindness of all. Unless you create something that's mean. Don't be mean. Be nice to people. Be nice to people.